Hi everyone, my name is Noman and I would like to share a feedback about eVision Technolab Private Limited. I came to know about this course from one of my friend. After hearing all the positive feedback about this course, I had decided to join this course, and the training was very good. The trainer explained all the concepts in a simple and a practical way, which helped me to understand in a real world scenario. And the training environment was very supportive. Whenever I had doubt, all the trainers were always ready to help. Now I would like to share a feedback that I got placed in a company called Vecto with a 3 LPA salary package, and I would like to thank eVision Technolab Private Limited, especially the trainers and the placement support team, which helped me to understand and to got this job in a IT field. I would recommend everyone to join this course. This is a very good course, and which will help your in career, which will help you to growth in a career as IT professionals. And all over, I want to say you can join the eVision. It was very great training program. So the duration is 45 days. Definitely I would highly recommend to join this course. Thank you so much.